Alright my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this now, I don't call your scream, I don't call your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside with nation Nigeria. The koko now be say, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You know say now come outside now, they call appeal, they call yarn give country people so make they learn how to manage by switching off their lights. Our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey advise country people say if dem switch off their lights, e go reduce electricity bills. So no be small matter o my good people. Our president now dey yarn all this level during his presidential media chat wey he get with tori people for inside Lagos State. According to how the talk take comot from our president mouth, he say no be negative thing to go learn how to manage o. He say you fit learn how to control your electricity bill by switching off the lights. Make all of us now learn how to manage for inside we nation Nigeria. And he say him wey be our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he no believe in price control and he no go try am say he go walk that path, but they go try their possible best. They go work hard to supply the market. That my good people now how our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu take talk the talk during his presidential media chat wey he get with tori people. And make we no forget say na as our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu just enter power, this in government come make electricity tariff e come increase. He come even remove fuel subsidy on the 3rd day of April for inside this year 2024. So now the electricity regulator come raise tariff for consumers wey dey under band A classification. You know say before kilowatts per hour na 66 naira, but now na 225 naira. And no be lie my good people, you see this increment, so this move, it was very much criticized due to the further hardship wey it don bring upon the lifestyle of country people. Based on say country people now they see premium shege on a daily basis, the electricity regulator come still get mind they go increase tariff. E make plenty country people then complain wetin no good, but last the federal government no do anything about the matter. Now our president dey come outside dey yarn say make we learn how to manage, make country people dey off their lights. And no be lie my good people, see this talk wey our president talk, e pain many country people. They are not happy at all. Even get one human rights lawyer wey dey go by the name Malcolm Omiobo. He now come outside come dey describe our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu as a hypocrite because of this presidential media chat. So because of the things and things wey he talk, according to Oga Malcolm, he say it is very much hypocritical for our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu to dey advise Nigerians to learn how to manage and control their electricity bills. And you see all this talk, my good people, Oga Malcolm sama around for inside the social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X. And no be small thing my good people. For inside this post now where the activist lawyer drop, so he come dey yarn dey give our president say make him learn how to go cut down the cost of governance before he go dey ask country people to learn how to manage. Make him go back now, go learn how to reduce some kind spending wey the government dey do. Make dem make sure say dem reduce some kind things like this wey be say they dey do wey no make sense, wey no dey help the general public. When you don do all those level finish, then make him come back on dey tell country people make dem manage how they take dey live their life, make dem manage how they take dey do their own things dem. Because it is very much hypocritical for a president to dey advise country people to learn how to manage by learning how to control their electricity bill by switching off their lights, when him wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu don refuse to learn how to cut down the cost of governance. And no be lie my good people, you know say the way the government dey spend most times e no make sense at all. And the kind allocations wey dey give some kind sections or some kind things for inside our green country wey be Nigeria, e no make sense at all. Even Sarah sef don come outside dey yarn dey give the National Assembly say the kind money wey our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu don allocate for travels for the presidency for inside the 2025 budget, e no make sense at all. Say make dem torchlight the matter, make the National Assembly look into the budget proper. So like this now, my good people, now with the way things dey go for inside we nation Nigeria, now why men like this activist lawyer wey be Malcolm come outside so come dey yarn. Even some kind politicians sef, they don come outside come still dey yarn say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu and this in government is not helping matters. They gats remove the hood wey dey for their eye before they go come dey remove the sansan wey dey for countrymen their eye. So our president now don come outside dey drop advice say make country people learn how to manage by switching off their lights dem. Anyhow dis informate be you for body my good pipu, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. But meanwhile I still get another legit intel wey dey my table like dis wey I need share give the general public, and the koko be say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu he now don reaffirm im stance. He now don come outside come dey yarn say omo im plaster on the removal of fuel subsidies. E no get anyhow wey e wan be. E no dey regret the decision at all. Even if dem give am chance to do am again, e say im go do am. The Nigerian leader wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu he yarn dis level during his inaugural presidential media chat wey happen on Monday wey be the 23rd day of December for inside dis year 2024. When country people come question am about the wisdom of implementing the subsidy removal and exchange rate unification policy without phasing it in, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come maintain, he come dey yarn say the reforms were very much essential, were very much important for the economic growth of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. According to how he take talk the talk, my good people, he say he no get any regrets or whatsoever in removing the subsidy sake of say it was very much necessary. No be small matter like this, my good people. And all of us now wey dey for inside we nation Nigeria, we are very much aware say na this decision now wey our president take to go remove fuel subsidy and the unification of the naira na come make price of petrol for inside this our green white green country e come increase, and as fuel price come collect increment, e come make transportation cost too e come still increase, and as transportation cost come increase, e come make the price of food e come increase kwa. And as price of food come chop increment, millions of country people now no come fit afford the 3 square meals wey they dey normally dey collect, and to come even double the shege wey country people dey see on a daily basis, the exchange rate e come also experience a significant rise. E come make our local currency wey be the naira no come get much value compared to the dollar. So that my good people na the genesis of the shege promax wey Nigerians dey face on a daily. If you ask the presidency, they go tell you wetin they don dey talk before. Make we do the calms, they don dey see light at the end of the tunnel. These their reforms last e go bear fruits, and the general public they go flenjo. All e go just take na patience and time. My good people, this na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside the nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even collect them sharp. May they come inside again to another legit intel for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.